Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess we need to do a starter on my truck. Thing won't start, so just gotta come over here, passenger side. Just gotta climb under here. The starter's right there. So wires are up there. Where the hell's the igniter going? Okay. So we got this little thing pop off, guys. This little cover for the wires. And then you reach up here, you just gotta find the wires. And, yeah, that one comes over here, so it's gotta be this one. So definitely was not an 8, guys, it's a 10 probably. So let's just double check it. Okay, it's 10, so we're gonna try it out. Let's just try to take off one wire at a time. I think I got it going backwards. Alright. Oh, no, now I got it going backwards. No. No. Yeah, there we go. Remember, when you're working backwards, it's kind of the opposite. Very easy to have happen. Once you break it loose, it should come off by your hand pretty easy, guys. Trying to get my face in there. Kind of a tiny hole, guys. But just trying to show you how to do this, and we'll see. I kind of got to go in blind on a few bolts, so there's that. This wire can come off right there. Okay, that one you don't got to worry about, guys. So alright, so I'm back. Starter's right here. So I took off this igniter wire. It's off. It has no power unless you're hitting the key, so that is fine. So this other one, 13 or 15, guys. Yeah, that's right. That's a 15. Okay. So how I do this is a little short wobbly head play ratchet, and that's just how you got to do it. Just to get on it again. As you guys see, my ratchet has like a rubber on the end, so it's not too bad. Once you get it loose, just like the other one, spin it off. And I'm trying to make this video quick, but we'll see. Probably not gonna be. So that's off. So I didn't disconnect the battery, guys, so I got a rubber glove. Oh, so I find the wire again. It's way up there. So bring it down here. So just kind of put the glove in it, or it in the glove, I guess, and kind of, let's just double glove it, guys. Like I said, I'd recommend pulling the battery. I'm just not in the mood to climb on this big ass fucking truck. Sorry for the swearing. My bad. Stuff happens. But just tuck it out of your way. Get something to hold it. Try to, I guess. Yeah. It's kind of what it is. So now let's try this 6-inch extension with the 13. This is one I was talking about, guys. You gotta kind of get wedged up in this stoop thing. The bolt's like way back here somewhere. Yep, right there. Can't seem to get to it. Awesome. Alright, hold on a second here. Let me try to wrap myself around here. There. No, it's gonna be way. Did somebody already pull this and not put it back? Let's just loosen the other 2 bolts, guys. See what that does as soon as I find it. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but right here Yeah, it's kind of, camera's kind of going everywhere, so let me try to get you guys a little better. Okay, so you got this bolt, 13, ow. All right, that's one of them. Now, other one right here on the other side. Not too bad. This ain't got much room, so you just gotta kind of do it. All right. Now let's see if that's it, or if we really have to get that hidden bolt. Yep, hidden bolt's in there, guys. Awesome. All right. Now to find it. I don't know how to explain this, how to help you guys with this part, but we're at, trying to figure it out. Okay, that's what I thought. So, guys, trying to get on the camera, guys, but camera don't want me to be, I guess. So, this other bolt is just on the right side of the solenoid. It's kind of a bitch to get to, but I'm trying to help, but we'll see how much this video helps. So, you gotta go up here, right next to the solenoid. Bolt should be right there. It is, but for some reason the socket don't want to fit it. Now we lost all the stuff. Okay, yep, oil in the mouth. Jeez. Alright, so it's taking me 2 hands, guys. I don't know. That just seems like where the bolt should be. Where's the dang starter? Come here. Guess we're gonna make this one dirty. Okay. So, yeah, it's gotta be right up there. So it'll be right here. Jeez, that's really a tight fit, guys. There it is. Okay, got it on. Definitely kind of tight in there. Come on. Ow! Alright, broke it loose. Now to get back on it again. Just lost everything. Alright, oh my god. So this is one of the reasons why I say this floppy head ratchet helps. It's just smaller. You can get in there easier. But let's just take care of this wiring real quick. It just needs to stay there. Alright. Alright guys, it's loose now, so let's get the hard bolt out first, because that one's going to be a pain. Ah, come on. Let's do it. Come on. Off, 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 off. Come on. Let's do it. Alrighty, come on. Come on. Okay, we're almost off. Long bolt. Not really. Yep. What it is. Ah, shit. Kinda hurts. Ah, do it. Alright guys, sorry if the video sucks. It's just me. Ain't nobody else to help me right now, so what we gotta do, gotta get started on, because it seems like next week's gonna suck and I have to probably take this to work, so just gotta get it done. Oh no. Alright, we lost the glove. Hopefully the other one stays. That would be the reason I said just pull the battery cable. Come on. Oh, yeah, guys, bolt came out. Do I know where it went? Not right now. The ratchet's stuck. It won't come out. Awesome. That's wonderful. Come on. I'm stuck. Come on. On stick. I'm just wedged up against something here. Yeah, that's how it goes, huh? Get that up there. Yeah. Suck it up, man. I hope this don't fall on my head. Come on. Alright, that bolt goes. So you guys know, I can't see the camera. This bolt is thicker. Goes on the one from the tranny side in. So you know. And you just drop it out. That easy. This thing looks a little old. Let's just set it here. Now we gotta reach up here, guys. And you gotta find your other bolt. See, these ones are smaller, shorter. These two are thinner than the one that comes from the tranny, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these are the two that go from the motor side, and this one goes in from the back on the tranny side. Hoping it helps. Back in here again. There we go. And turn around. Okay, guys. Obviously, having to do this by myself. Huh. Camera's trying to move. So I do it myself, but yeah, definitely can't really stop the camera when you're all covered in grease trying to do this. So here we go. Put it back in there, just like that. Slide it back in. Damn, you guys ain't even getting to see nothing. Just slide it back in. It just slides in. Boom. Okay. All right. Now, like I said, so where the other bolt went? You got a thicker one. This thicker one goes in from the tranny, and it kind of helps more or less align all the rest. So you don't have to fight the rest. Kind of have to fight it when it's all greasy, though. 6.0 life, gotta love it, huh? Sometimes. Definitely not when the starter won't start and you can't drive the truck. Now you put this one in because it helps align it even more so that you can get that one that, like I said, you gotta go in almost blind. That's fine, okay. Now to put your bolt in that you gotta do pretty much blind, and it's awesome because you have your block heater wire right in your way. So once you get it in, though, shouldn't be too bad. I say that, but it is kind of still bad, guys. I think I got it started. Alright, guys, we're just gonna finish putting this one in, and then we'll do the easy ones, and then we're gonna do the power wires. So here we go. The power wire needs to get out of the way for right now. And see, you're right up against the motor mount with the 6-inch, so, but if you do any shorter, it might be more of a pain. They gotta hold the extension. It's awesome. It's fun stuff. Oh, and the ratchet fell off. Awesome. Always great. Okay, guys, just wait for the ratchet to get the bolt in. Oh shit, guys, you fell over. Not bad. Hoping this video isn't that long, but I can get rid of some stuff, I'm sure. So I started by hand with the socket because apparently the ratchet doesn't want to go into this. Just make that one tight. The other ones are already started, so you're good once. So, I mean, I got this little ratchet, so I can only get so much, and I'm stuck in a hole. So that's my thing I'm trying to help you with, understand or whatever. And if you're used to doing this stuff blind and being in little holes like this stuff, it shouldn't be a problem. If you're not, all I could say is if you wanted one of these trucks and didn't want to put out money, I used to work on these, and I've done these on the side of the road and stuff, so I know it's all possible. You just gotta get used to what tools you need, and always remember you gotta take an extra couple sockets because sometimes different starters have different bolts on the oh, you guys just staring at me, I guess, huh? Guess I'm not really showing you what I'm doing here. That sucks. I was trying, really trying. I might suck a little bit at this stuff sometimes. Now I need to get the nuts off of these. And don't forget, don't tighten them too much, because yeah, they do break. There's plastic underneath that the bolt goes into. How do I know? Done it before. It was very funny for me because I had to do this twice in one day. But that's how it goes. That's how you learn. Funny thing is, I used to do these all the time and had no problem. I just kind of knew how everything went. And then you stop doing it for a few years. Hey, you gotta go back to remembering everything of how you did it. Alright. So I wish I could get you guys a little better view, but I don't really think it's gonna quite let me. But let's just take you off here. Okay, so let's go here. So you see, you got your wires where the stuff goes. So you just gotta put your wires back on. And the camera's all wigged out. So let's just wrap you up here real quick, guys. Try to, maybe go there. Maybe wrap, maybe something. Alright guys, trying to give you a good view, but I kind of suck at this, I guess. But I'm trying. I'll keep trying. Okay, so obviously, once you got a hot wire, you want to put that on first so you don't touch nothing, like grounding out on anything or anything like that, guys. So once you get that one on, and you just tighten it up. Like I said, don't over tighten it because it will break the plastic solenoid inside that the stuff goes to. So all I'm saying, guys, where we at? I'm experienced. You guys remember where we are? I think I'm lost. Oh, I think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done. Alright. So it's changed. Looks like I might be dirty all over my face, but hey, I'll clean up later. So, starter goes in like this. Sits just like that in there. So you got your, let's go over here. You got more light. So it goes in like that. You got your 10 for the igniter. You got your 15 for the power cable. Like I said, that's the bolt. This lighting sucks. Sorry guys. This video is gonna suck, I think. So you got that pain in the butt bolt, which you got block is right here. Block is here. Okay. And then you got that one that's easy. And then this other one that comes from the bottom. So that's that part. And you pull some receipts out of there. Oh no, this is a part number. I got it from Advance Auto. They're going out of business, so it was like 37 bucks. Kind of hard to beat it. So here's what I used. I got a 6-inch extension, 3/8. I got a 13mm deep socket, floppy head, ratchet 3/8. And then I got a shorter 3/8/1/4 ratchet with the floppy head. Makes it easier to get in there for you guys. The 15 was for the positive terminal. And then you got a 1/4 inch floppy head with a 10 to get the igniter wire off. So I don't know, hopefully it helps somebody. I don't know what else to say. Like, subscribe, comment, do something, be cool. And I guess everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.